Apple has finally turned its big picture trend from bullish to neutral, and we increasingly see the chance here that this picture is going to deteriorate further, although in the near term there might be a trading bounce opportunity coming up. When we look at a stock, what's important for us is to see how it fits into the background of the global macro picture, or at least the flows picture. And so we want to make sure that we have a good understanding of what the trends are. And so what we actually use for that is our market rover. I'm going to quickly share with you. You can see how the trends have changed over time. You can see we had neutral trends, then bullish trends, green background color, neutral trends, and then bullish trends. And finally, if you look at it right now, we're just starting to fall out of a bullish trend, which is the green background color, and we've just now entered a neutral background color. We haven't had a neutral background color since basically last summer. Okay, so that's important. Now, from a momentum perspective, what you'll find is that the stock continues to be currently bearish momentum. And so if you just look at the past few months and you look at our momentum TSD trender indicator, what you'll see is that we had a buy signal there, then a sell or short signal there, then we had a buy signal there, and then finally the latest signal, which is short right there. And the stock has dropped about about 7 or 8%. We're thinking it's increasingly getting oversold, but the big problem, or not problem, but the bigger picture view is that the stock is deteriorating. We think we can get an oversold bounce here. Again, the short-term trend remains bearish right now, but that can change. I think we're getting oversold. So if we now just go to the absolute chart and look at Apple and see what's going on, we come across something like this. And this is a very simple price action. It's really not complex to understand this, but you can see that there's a lot of price history as support, a little bit of resistance here and there around the levels we're at right now, around 215. And again, it coincides with us possibly getting a bit near-term oversold from our momentum work. And so we would not be surprised if this stock were to bounce, maybe goes back to 240. Something pretty sharp would not be out of the question. 8, 9, 10% is entirely possible, and then ultimately start to fail again and go for quite a bit lower levels. So that's a bit of an update here on Apple. Hope it helps, and we'll see you again in the next video.